Hey guys, Crew Blind Wave, I'm Eric.
Hi, Calvin.
What? I'm Aaron. Fucking
End this Continuing on with Rwby, last episode, there was their card game they were playing.
Yep.
And
Food fight!
There was there was a general that came from another region and a headmaster of a school, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's Remnant, which is the entire world.
yeah.
There's Vale, which is one of the regions. And then
I think it's what we're in, right?
Three others, yeah.
We're in
Vale is...
Yeah. We've been talking about Crow.
Hmm.
Sent a message saying Queen has her pawns or whatever.
Who's Crow?
Well, we know who Crow is, apparently. In episode 1 of Rwby, they mentioned that Crow was the headmaster of the school that Rwby used to go to. And then she transferred to the new one.
Yeah. Yeah,
And-
but that one wasn't for hunters. It was like a step
Yeah.
down.
But
Yeah.
he's also their uncle. And he also taught her how to use a scythe. That's just one thing we miss. And, sometimes when you do reactions, you end up missing some stuff. But, as
Sometimes
viewers...
when you watch TV, you miss stuff.
but as viewers, we're supposed to know that. So
Okay.
now we know. That's pretty much it. There's really nothing else to really go over before we go into it.
Puppet Girl!
We haven't seen her yet, have we?
Not for a while.
Yeah.
Not after the...
Well, there's the 3 bad guys
Yes.
that are now in the school
Yes.
under cover of the tournament. I wonder the Puppet Girl, is she there for the tournament too?
I don't know why she's there. I don't know who
She could be.
I don't know who
She
owns
could be
her.
here for the tournament.
And then there's also the new guy we met, Neptune.
Neptune with the blue hair.
And then there's the Monkey Man.
Yeah, Sun
Yes.
is his name, right?
Son.
Yeah. Okay, that's going to be everything. Let's continue! Rwby.
Almost like Rwby singing this.
I don't know.
Doesn't it kind of sound
Could
like her?
be. It does
It's on
sound like...
fire!
It's the moon!
It still feels like a Kingdom Hearts intro. I like it.
Why? Because of the clock and shit?
No, it just feels Kingdom Heartsy.
There were 4 teams there. I want to find out who the other
They're
teams are.
skydiving!
So many other people!
They have a jump strategy. Is that what it's called? Landing strategy.
Landing strategy.
Who's this guy? Who's that guy? Oh, hey,
That was Emerald.
those are all bad guys.
I like how they come out of each other when they're doing their moves.
3:59.
4 o'clock!
Where's it close to our
So,
time?
Weiss, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat?
Gotta pick up our stuff.
And,
I've got you tickets to that new Spruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vale.
Spruce
I hear
Willis.
it's awesome. And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart, and I'm a,
And then
He's got a bust of himself back there.
wrong, I guess.
He does.
The stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Weiss, did you hear me?
No, yes. One day. I thought that class would never end.
New outfits.
Alright guys, today's
Yep.
the day. The investigation begins! I'm glad
They've all got new outfits.
so seriously. Hey, we've got a plan. That's moderately serious. Right. Everyone remember their
Different,
roles?
but...
You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for
Aaron,
any other
don't touch
Dutch
her.
robberies or inconsistencies.
You're weird, Aaron.
Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't
Stop
be
it!
a problem. Delightful his regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning. I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard. Great, we'll meet up tonight near the
It's
gate and
not.
cover what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
What?
Son, how did you get up there?
Come on,
I
son!
do it all the time.
You know what?
He's creeping into women's windows.
So,
Yeah.
are we finally getting back at that torture guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team. Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. We should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune. So,
How did you even...
How's she all the way up there?
I have my ways.
Strong.
Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
All right.
I wonder what his weapon is.
Son, you can go
haven't
with
seen it
Blake.
yet.
And Neptune,
He's got
you can go with
holsters.
Yang since she doesn't have a partner.
His
Everyone
goggles.
Actually,
Might
Ruby,
shoot something.
Why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister. But I say would go with you then. Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
I love that cackle.
Wow! I forget how big the transit tower looks up close. You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right? Correct.
Transit
Atlas
tower?
developed a cross-continental transmit system to allow the four kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War. Ooh, look at me.
I think Atlas is where the generals go.
I know
Yeah.
facts. I'm rich. Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library. I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh shit.
That's broken.
Oh. You dropped this.
Polly.
Penny?
Oh, Penny.
Where have you been? We haven't seen
No
you
backpack.
since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused. I've got to go. What was that about? I don't know.
Are there more than one?
I'm
She
going
has
to
been
find out.
reprogrammed.
You go make
Yeah.
a call. I'll meet up with you later. Wait. Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What? Penny. Is everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend. It isn't safe to talk here.
Clipping right through that dress.
Hmm?
So her hands are just clipping right through that dress.
So?
I didn't see her hands. She has really, really long legs.
How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity?
Huh.
Perfect. Thank you, Mishni.
What's she doing?
She's putting on an act. Right?
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you? I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas. Absolutely.
She's
If you
fake.
could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. Is that... Okay. She reminded me of one of the bad guys.
Yeah.
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Mishni. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
Winter?
No, thank you.
Winter, Weiss.
I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your school now.
Is there a symbol of snowflake back there?
That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me, I know the feeling.
us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really. Was your dad that upset? No, it wasn't my father.
Has been a standard security line of Rwby for several years. And they have done a fine job. Wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree?
Is it the general guy?
The Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it?
Are those the robots from the Blake trailer?
The Elysian Knight.
Maybe, yeah. Because that's when
Kinda
they killed
shitty.
him, fighting robots.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. Each models will become active later this year, but it won't be long. Now,
Something you get in a video game where you're like,
military has always supported the idea
Yeah.
of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Rwby.
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Elysian Paladin.
Shit! My name is Optimus
Prime.
Prime.
But these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Rwby, maybe we should go somewhere else.
uh-oh.
Hey,
Uh-oh.
wait! Where are you going?
Time somebody runs across the road.
Oh yeah!
Break the leg! Sweep the leg!
She has speed. Semblance.
Yeah, she's using your semblance.
And now they're dead. Oh! Whoa!
Fucking robot or something.
That guy again.
That's her semblance strength.
Are you okay?
It's not her semblance. She does that. She can do that. It's her thing.
I get it, Calvin.
She's super cool. She's gonna run through that wall like Juggernaut.
You want to see my semblance?
Penny! Please! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if
She has hiccups? She can't be a robot with hiccups.
No.
Like a malfunction.
You wouldn't understand. Let me try.
Could be
You can
bionic.
trust me. You're my friend, right?
Yes.
You promise you're my friend?
Yes. I'm your friend
I
too.
promise. Rwby, I'm not a real girl.
She's a robot.
Oh.
Pinocchio.
Puppet.
I'm a real boy!
Oh, it's done.
Dang it. Pinay.
Completely mechanical.
I don't know.
I mean, if it is Pinocchio, then it would make sense that she's completely
She was hiccuping.
mechanical. Yeah, they.
Why was she hiccuping? That would be weird.
I don't know.
It'd be weird programming, you know what I mean?
Maybe her skeleton and
Yeah,
everything is mechanical.
like Wolverine.
No,
yeah,
his
like
isn't.
muscles and stuff like that.
I mean, the skin.
that
The
doesn't
skin.
make any sense.
The skin
because
came off her hands, but she was robot.
For me, the
under it.
hiccuping is the weird thing to me.
Yeah.
Why'd she?
Yeah,
hiccup? I understand if she talked,
Yeah.
but why would she?
And you can program a robot to have fear. That way, it's self-preservation. But why hiccups?
Yeah,
It's bothering the shit out of me. I'm sorry.
she gotta be part robot, right? Says she's not a
She's
real
gotta
girl.
be.
She's at least. Well, she. I think she has to be full robot.
Her wording is she's not a real girl, right?
Yeah.
She's not
What
a
if
real
she
girl.
has a robotic chassis with real innards,
That could be.
What's a chassis?
like the frame of her and stuff?
Skeletal,
Like
the musculoskeletal system.
Okay.
yeah, but like she still has organs and stuff in her,
Okay.
lungs and heart and
Doesn't
stomach.
really make
and
sense
brain.
because hiccups are a spasm of the diaphragm, which is a muscle. If all of her muscles are mechanical, then why
I
is
don't
it?
know. It could just be a.
Wait, no. I mean, it's It's
The lung
it's an
thing.
involuntary spasm, but it's still caused by a brain to diaphragm thing. So she has
And-
to have a real brain.
And in the case of Calvin, it comes with severe like pain and screaming, right?
No,
Hiccups.
No, that's how you get rid of him.
that's how you get rid of them.
It's severe pain. and
It
screaming.
never fails.
So maybe she's part robot with human organs and that kind of thing going on or something. I don't
She
know.
has to have at least a human brain, right?
Yeah, she seems to be thinking like a person and like a girl. You know, she's scared of like her dad doing this
Yeah.
or that.
And she's also disobeying.
Yeah. So
I don't know. That's a mystery. We'll have to learn next time, I guess, or some other time in the future.
yeah.
I want to see what Neptune's weapons are.
Yeah, I'm curious.
I really like
Suns
Sun's.
was sweet.
Yeah,
Sun's gunchucks
Yeah.
are awesome.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I didn't really get anything. I think that the general guy that we saw there, I think he's from Atlas, and
Yeah.
that would mean that Weiss is also from Atlas.
Okay.
So Atlas is another
Do
one.
you think
So
the
we have
general
Vale and
guy-
Atlas.
Is her dad Penny's dad?
Penny's
Yeah.
dad
I think so.
could be.
Like he's there with the robot stuff and all that kind of thing, and maybe he's the one. Also, he showed up
Yeah.
in episode after that whole little thing happened,
That's
right?
true.
So maybe he was there. And
Yeah. No, that makes sense. I like that
It
theory.
could be neat.
Yeah.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Also, Eric mentioned about the snowflake background
Yeah.
whenever Weiss was getting her stuff.
And a winter.
Winter's
Sister?
his sister, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
know if it's older or younger, but has a sister.
I'm picking up on a theme.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I don't know what Weiss is.
Yeah. That's probably bullshit.
I wonder what all documents she got.
Documents?
Yeah,
Don't
from
do it back, Aaron. That
from
makes
her-
it
All the
weird.
sensitive documents and
her
stuff.
family. That,
Probably like dust transfer records and stuff.
Well, she was requesting stuff about the crime, right?
yeah,
About the
I
company
guess.
and
Is that what it was?
Yeah, I
think so.
Because it was her dust people that were getting
Yeah.
robbed, and
Yeah, it was the Schnee Dust Company.
And I'm pretty sure those robots were in the Blake trailer. And Blake was attacking Weiss's family, which is from Atlas, which those things guard, right? So that would make
Yeah,
sense.
that could be.
Okay.
it's all connected.
It is.
Imagine that.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I think that's gonna be everything for Rwby. So poll this week. We're trying to think of one, but I think a good one would be. They got new costumes, which was kind of cool in this one, right? All 4 of them.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Aaron?
I didn't realize you can see her belly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see more of her belly now.
So they got new outfits, not really costumes. Outfits in this one. Do we prefer the new ones or the old ones?
Old because I don't like change.
Okay, Calvin.
I like them both.
You can't.
And the clothes should
There's
not
only-
define the character.
There's only two parts.
Pick one or the other.
Yes.
Okay, he likes the new ones.
I like
Eric's
the new
turn.
ones.
The new ones.
Yeah.
I like the new ones too.
Ah, shit.
Yeah.
I like the old ones.
No.
I hope she
Yeah,
doesn't change.
I
it.
like the old ones.
It's fine. I want him to be wrong.
Okay. All right.
You
So
see her belly too.
yeah.
yeah. Just quit touching him, Aaron.
You see her
You
belly?
can't see her belly.
I can't reach Ruby.
All right. So you guys can go. You guys can go to patreon.com/blindwave. Find out how you can enter into our polls. Go there, vote in the poll. All those links are down in the description below. With our social media, make sure you like and subscribe. Blindwave.net has
A store.
Stove.
and shirts, and you guys can come back next time. I'm Eric,
I'm Calvin.
I'm Aaron.
and we'll
Hi,
see
Aaron.
you guys next time. Button.
Son of a bitch.